Well, someone who advocates buying into the U.S. is this guy, moving and shaking this morning, Warren Buffett. Berkshire Hathaway's cash mountain grew to its highest level in a year in the second quarter as Buffett scaled back his bets on consumer product companies. And I've got Sheila Dharmarajan with me with more, and we've been talking about this. What is Warren Buffett going to buy? He wants at least one major acquisition a year.
Yeah, he has not been shy in saying how much he is looking for a big deal to come. But I have to say, it's a favorite time of year for Buffett watchers as well. Berkshire Hathaway, as you said, reported those results. So investors got a peek into what he's been buying, selling, or in this case, what he's been hoarding. Betty, you mentioned cash. Well, Berkshire's cash balance now, nearly $41 billion. That is the highest level we have seen in a year. As we've been talking about, Buffett been very vocal about being on the prowl for acquisitions. Clearly, with this type of cash balance, he can do pretty much whatever he wants to in terms of whatever size he's looking for. As for the other trades in his portfolio, Buffett overall has been a net seller of equities in the quarter, especially when it comes to consumer stocks. So he's been paring back on names like Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and also Kraft Foods. You know, Buffett also has been vocal in terms of how he feels about some of these stocks. Remember, he thought that Kraft's takeover at Cadbury was quote-unquote dumb, and that J&J may be struggling after, quote, too many mistakes. So that's what he's been selling, but for what he's been buying, he did add to his stake in Walmart, we know that for sure. And then in the filing, he also mentioned commercial and industrial stocks, although no specific names were disclosed. Betty, just a sneak peek into what Buffett has been up to these days with his money.
Right, looking for that major deal to move the needle there at Berkshire Hathaway.